Hi everybody, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel for a new video. Today I have something quite interesting to talk about. It's just me telling you about my trading life and what trades I'm taking. So I want to tell you about a trade that I'm making on something that not many people know. It's the European carbon permits. I don't know if you know about the European system, but in the EU, they try to put a price on carbon emission, and by putting a price on carbon emission, they try to make people reduce it. That makes sense because they want the EU to become the greenest place. We're not going deeper into the fundamentals. I just want to share you. This is a very good trading opportunity. It's a little bit late, but it's still interesting to watch. So you can see in front of your eyes the EU carbon permits page on trading economics. If you don't know this website, it's a very, very interesting database for all the technical and fundamental values for stocks, countries, and many different things like forex, indexes, stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. It's a very, very good website. I really recommend that you check it out. I have nothing to do with them. It's just I really use them. And you can see the price history of the EU carbon permit prices. So you can see we had three tops in 2006, 8, and 1921. We made a beautiful consolidation pattern, and we are now skyrocketing to a beautiful bullish trend. If we're going to zoom in on this trend, and you're going to see that it's very beautiful. You had some choppiness over there. That's why I was not touching it. But right there, I'm seeing a very beautiful consolidation pattern that I bought the breakout because it's the kind of setups I'm looking at. And the first question going to be, well, how the hell do you buy this? Are there futures or something like that? I don't do futures. I really don't understand anything about futures. I'm really a spot guy. So I heard there was an ETF which is called KRBN, which is basically the short funny thing for carbon, and it's an ETF listed in New York. So if you are a worldwide investor, you probably can invest in New York listed ETFs, and you can see that the setup looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful configuration. You don't really see this kind of thing with the markets we're having right now, but for the carbon emission contracts, it's amazing, and the trend is so strong that why would I not trade this? In the EU, the problem is that we can't buy American listed ETFs. The EU forbid that in 2018 for regulatory reasons. I'm not going to go into the detail, but there is a possibility to trade it because it's listed in Germany, Italy, England, and I believe that's it. You can buy it, and the name is Wisdom Tree Carbon Exchange Traded Commodity, which is basically the same thing as KRBN, except it's listed in Germany and not in New York. And you can see that you have my trade here. My entry is at 31.76 and my stop loss is at 29.4. So we're going to see how this trade goes. I'm going to execute my trading plan and I'm going to keep you updated with this and what's going on. Really check it out. EU carbon permits, you can go and check the history price on trading economics. And if you want the detailed data as a trader, you can either check Wisdom Tree Carbon Exchange Traded Commodity or the ETF KRBN. That's it. You can see it's going to open with a gap up of the pre-market. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and goodbye.